All right, guys, what's going on? I've got a lot of questions lately, and I'm going to go ahead and apologize for this video here. It's going to be crappy quality, not going to lie. The audio is probably going to suck. I'm going to do my best to edit it so it's easier to listen to. The video quality is going to suck. Actually going to do a screen recording on my iPhone that I'll start in just a second to show you this, but I'm addressing some of the problems I've gotten lately with iSpoofer. Okay, same thing I've been through. All right. I've been through these issues. You see them every now and then. For example, as I've commented, if you follow my Instagram, I put it on there. Every time every time Niantic updates the Pokemon Go app itself, iSpoofer has to update to compensate for that. Okay, so if you get that message that says you need to update, you need to go and delete the app. Okay, the iSpoofer version, and then go back to their website and reinstall it. Okay. That's one of the main issues. Also, just a side note before we get started here, and I'll run through this quick. I don't want to bore you, but make sure when you're downloading the iSpoofer app off their website, make sure your original Pokemon Go app is no longer on your phone. Make sure it's completely deleted. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start this screen recording here. Okay, so this is the actual iSpoofer website. Okay, one of the big problems I've seen is the unable to verify message. Okay, whether you already had the app installed, whether you're trying to install it, and it's unable to verify. Okay, you'll know what I'm talking about if you have that. If you see here where it says install now, okay, that's your main link. Now, if you're getting that unable to verify message, 9 times out of 10, it's simply because that server that's hosting that install link or that download link is overrun. In other words, it's max capacity. A lot of people are downloading this. This happens a lot every time Pokemon Go or Niantic updates, and iSpoofer has to update. They update the entire Pokemon Go program. Okay, a lot of traffic. Use one of those install links. You see where it says install number 1, install number 2, install number 3. Click one of those instead. Okay, and if I go and click on install number 1, for instance, okay, I'm not going to do it because mine's already installed. All you do is hit install, same thing as normal, and then you go back out. You'll see the app installing that little gray with white lines in a circle, all that. It's a developer app. Once that's done installing, okay, this is the second problem I've seen the most. A lot of people are saying they don't have the device management tab in their iPhone. And unless something's different in other countries, I'm not aware of it. But we're just going to go over here to settings. Okay, when you open your settings app, after the iSpoofer Pokemon Go app is downloaded, meaning you see the Pokemon or the Pokeball logo, after it's done downloading, then go into settings. Okay, you'll go down here to general, you know, with the little gear, and I wish I could like select this, but you guys know what I'm talking about. You go to general, okay, click that, scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay, you should see iTunes Wi-Fi sync, VPN. Some of you know what that is. I'm not going into that. And device management. Okay, that's the option you want to hit. So hit device management. I've got a developer app through Amazon. Don't pay attention to that. You're just going to see one of these. Now, it's not going to be this name. It's going to be some Chinese looking name. Okay, Hang Zhao something like some crazy like that. It's going to be something different depending on which install link you use, okay? Go ahead and click that. Now, this is where for the first time, you're going to see hit authorize or verify app. Most likely the first time is going to be authorized. If it's saying unable to verify, you're going to see delete and then an option underneath to verify. Again, if you're hitting verify, it's not working. You need to go back to the beginning of the video where I was explaining about the app and the different installation links. Install link 1, 2, and 3 outside of the main link. And let's see, what was the other big main question? Let's see, some of the comments. Okay, still doesn't work. Mine doesn't work. Okay, I get that. Mine stopped downloading. I don't know why. If it stops downloading or will not complete downloading, chances are your phone is older than maybe the app is optimized for. I've got an iPhone 10s Max. I've got the newest, biggest iPhone. Not bragging, that's just my thing. It's my little compensation for whatever. The Pokemon Go Spoofer, same issue for me. And when I search it, nothing pops up. Okay, he can't find the device management. Hopefully I solved that. This guy's getting shadow banned left and right. Well, that's what happens when you abuse the app and forget the cooldown time. Okay, again, if you've tried deleting it, reinstalling, go to those different installation links. Is the app even safe to use? Yes, it is safe to use. I've been using it for months. This is a good one. You guys want to hear this. Does the full version, meaning the full version of iSpoofer that you pay $5 a month for, totally worth it, by the way, does the full version come with unlimited free raid passes and incubators, or just a couple extra? To be polite, no, it doesn't. It doesn't come with any raid passes or incubators. I'm sorry. You've got to purchase those through Pokemon Go or earn them through the different levels and research tasks. All right, anyway, moving on. iPhone 8, okay, she's having the same issue on the iPhone 8. I mean, the newest generation, should I say, of iPhones, I'm going to include them all from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone X to the iPhone XS or 10, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to go from 8 up, okay? I'm going to enclose this generation. The reason I'm doing this is because the apps like, iSpoofer, secondary off-market apps, they're I guess, developed and optimized is the word I'm looking for. Optimized for the newer generation of iPhones, okay, the 8s and up. If you have a regular 8, maybe not an 8 plus or whatever, or you've got a 6 or a 7 still, I don't blame you for having an older iPhone. Again, there's things I don't spend money on. Okay, iPhones just doesn't happen to be one of them. Okay, anyway, I think I've covered mainly what I'm seeing, the issues are so far. Again, if you've got any more questions, comment. I'll do my best. I check my comments multiple times a day. If you'd rather email, okay, I've set up a Gmail. It's the Pokemon Go Spoofer at gmail.com, all one word. Can't mess it up, hopefully. Maybe overestimating some of you. Ooh, I have potentially inappropriate comments. I was ready for these. I was excited for these. Anyway, again, unable to install, unable to verify. I've covered that. If there's any other questions, you've got any other concerns, anything like that, email me. You can DM me on Instagram. On Instagram, my actual username is just the.pokemon.spoofer. I didn't have enough room for Go, apparently. I don't know. You can DM me on Instagram. Again, you can email me at the Pokemon Go Spoofer at gmail.com. I'd be more than happy to help you. I've been using this app for at least 6 months, probably more. I have never been banned. I've never got a message from Niantic. One guy said Niantic messaged him and reached out to him. That's very doubtful. I'm not saying the guy's a liar, though. Not calling him a liar. Anyway, so message me. Let me know. Subscribe, guys. Here is what I'm going to be doing in the future as far as videos, okay? Number one, this guy, for instance, he says, he keeps getting banned. I'm assuming he means shadow banned or soft ban is what it's actually referred to, where, the cooldown period, that comes into play. I'm going to explain that, not to go into depth here. That's going to be the first one, okay? Is how to safely spoof, how the cooldown period works, teleporting, how to verify that, your cooldown is up, how long you have to wait if it's not. Okay, I'm going to do a whole video on that. Number two, I'm going to do, I already did how to find a Ditto. If you have not watched that, if you're still searching for your Ditto for one of your research tasks, you need to go watch that video. The next one, how to find and catch 100 IV Pokemon, okay? And then I'm going to do a tutorial for Androids, if I can get my buddy to let me, mess with his brand new Galaxy. If you've got other video requests, please comment. Please comment. DM me on Instagram. Email me. Tell me what you want to see. If you've got other... I don't want to say I'm a master. I'm not a master programmer, okay? I did some programming in college. I understand it. But I know this app inside and out. There's not been an error that I haven't seen with this app yet, okay? Please let me know what you want to see, okay? Please subscribe. Subscribe button here, hopefully. If not, I just look like an idiot. Like this video. Comment again, comment. I need to know. Watch the Ditto video. Please do not miss that one. That's huge. If you've been waiting for months to catch the Ditto, please watch that video. Anyway, I will see you guys next time on a much higher quality video with much better audio. Maybe I'll make this the end of the video. So I'm going to put a couple links here and here, and then the subscribe button will go here.